Will we see a Christmas job surge? Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.Heise here and welcome to another episode of HeiseSays. Grab your stein of coffee. Let's have a look at this Yahoo Finance article discussing a potential job surge ahead of Christmas. Now, at the moment, I'll bring up our unemployment figures. We're seeing unemployment at 6.9% according to the ABS. If we jump over, here, I'll just bring it up. I've got too many things to refer to. We've got the Roy Morgan website. You can see their take on unemployment as of September is at 12.9%. Now I'll bring up here, this is the retail trade from ABS. From July to August, this is the latest figures, it went down 4%. From August 2019 to 2020, it's up 7.1%. So what is retail going to be like in Christmas? That's the question. Are we going to see a jump? Are we going to see some more activity? And will we see people employed? Will Victoria be able to remain open and have economic activity through to Christmas? And can it help these retailers survive? A lot of retailers depend on this Christmas period to make enough money in to, help them keep the business going through to the leaner times. So these are the questions. So will we see a job surge ahead of Christmas? Do you work in a retail job during Christmas, everyone? Maybe to earn a bit of extra money, or is this just the seasonal work that you do? Let us know in the comments. Do you see it starting to pick up? Let's get some anecdotal evidence going. So job advertisements are nearly back at pre-COVID levels as further restrictions ease coinciding with the Christmas hiring drive, new data has revealed. According to Seek's latest employment report, job ad volumes in the second half of October were 90% of what they were before the pandemic. And I'll show you the ANZ job ads. You can see that huge fall there. So it looks like we've climbed back up, at least according to Seek. This is the highest national job ad figure since the pandemic began, having an impact in March, said Seek ANZ Managing Director Kendra Banks. Queensland has now joined Western Australia, South Australia and the NT and Tasmania as states and territories that have more job ads than pre-COVID levels. Victoria's recent lift of lockdown restrictions have seen retail and hospitality jobs bounce back strongly in the state, particularly in the lead up to Christmas, Banks adds. The job ads growth in Victoria is now on par with New South Wales and the ACT. If job ads continue to trend upwards in line with restriction lifting, then we will see Victoria overtake New South Wales in terms of percentage of jobs compared to pre-COVID levels in the coming months. In the last fortnight, job ads in New South Wales were at 84% of pre-pandemic levels and continue to climb steadily. So which job ads are coming back? Jobs in the industrial industry have had the strongest rebound, with jobs in this sector up 112% in the last 2 weeks compared to the pre-pandemic levels. We can see here constructions, everything's heading up. Professional services, we're down the bottom. Public sector, of course, and industry. There you go. This is followed closely behind the public sector, 106%, while construction jobs are about exactly at pre-COVID levels at 99%. The Morrison government has said it wants a tradie-led economic recovery, with several major infrastructure projects given the green light, as well as schemes such as home builders slated to create hundreds of building jobs. Consumer services are also nearly back to normal at 89%. The Seek expert expects jobs to return quickly in this sector. But professional services, that is largely office jobs, have been singled out as laggard according to the banks. Professional service roles are more traditionally office-based roles, contrary to operational roles where the link between customer and fulfillment is very close. When we experience a difficult economic outlook, businesses tend to hold off in recruiting the sort of roles that make up professional services, and so will take a longer time to regain ground. So you want to focus on the people that are actually making your money. Really. Harsh reality there. New data from LinkedIn has also revealed jobs are up 103% in the transport and logistics sector between July and September compared to the same time last year, with healthcare up 46% and retail up 43%. Competition is down. If an encouraging sign for job hunters, the ratio of applications per role has fallen, according to LinkedIn. This ratio nearly doubled in the middle of 2020, but is heading back down to pre-COVID levels, according to the professional network platform. Could that be perhaps you're starting to see some people leave the job market. Workers in the recreation and travel industry are doing the most job hunting outside their sector, with these employees 2.6 times more likely to search for a job outside their industry, followed by education workers at 1.8 and real estate professionals at 1.6. You'd think education wouldn't be doing as tough, or maybe people just want to get out of the sector. So Amazon adds 500 jobs in Melbourne. Now, we looked at earlier today just a horror story from Amazon about a shipper using fulfillment by Amazon getting completely screwed over. But there you go, 500 new jobs. I mean, we've all seen the videos and stories about people working in these fulfillment centers. It's just the modern version of, well, drudgery and boring work. Amazon Australia, but if it pays well, people don't mind, and it's security, then go for it. Amazon Australia today announced it will be building a second fulfillment center in Melbourne, which will contribute 300 jobs as well as 200 construction jobs. Now, the construction jobs are not permanent. I don't like the fact that they always say that. You know, it's 200 jobs, yeah, for a couple of months. I mean, come on. I mean, still, it's good. It's activity for the construction sector. The centre will be finished late next year and is based in Melbourne's Ravenhall, and is intended to meet growing consumer demand across Victoria and the nation. It will be nearly twice the size of Melbourne Cricket Ground and be able to contain up to 6 million items. Our investment in this new Melbourne fulfillment centre will benefit customers across around Victoria, while creating hundreds of jobs for Melburnians in a safe work environment with competitive pay at a time when they need it most, said Amazon Australia Director of Operations, Craig Fuller. This fulfillment centre will also provide additional capacity for Victorian-based small and medium-sized businesses who utilise the Fulfillment by Amazon service to benefit from our expanded capability and seamlessly serve our customers around the country. Now, make sure you watch that other video where we go through that Age article, which just paints another light or a risk associated with this Fulfillment by Amazon service. And I still think the best way to make money with drop shipping is to just do enough so you can start selling a course online. What do you reckon, guys? Let me know if you've got an ad for that recently. Amazon recently partnered with Myer to turn 21 department stores into Amazon parcel pickup points. The deal was designed to bring more foot traffic to the bricks and mortar stores, with the hubs based across New South Wales, Victoria, Canberra, South Australia and Western Australia. Wow, I mean, that just shows you Myer's coming to an end, doesn't it? They'll just turn into an Amazon pickup point. There you go. So there we have it, everyone. Predictions of a job surge running up to Christmas. What do you think? I mean, here, look, there's the other article about the rotten, Seek with their fake job ads. Well, so do you think we're going to see a surge in employment up to Christmas? Do you think we will get an increase in retail turnover? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below, everyone. Are you looking for a job for the Christmas period? I mean, even just doing the Ubering, that's going to earn you more money during this period. Hopefully there'll be more activity, people will be less worried, and people will get out there more. We'll see how Melbourne goes. Will businesses be able to survive thanks to Christmas? Will retail spending go up? Will people jump out and spend, and maybe cop a hit next year? Remember, we still have trading while insolvent. We still have the job keeper propping up other businesses. We still have the job seeker bonus, and you've got mortgage holidays until March. So it's all good. Just go nuts. We'll see. Or will people be more worried, concerned, and stashing money aside? Let me know what you think, guys. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you're a fan and want to support the content I create here, there are a few ways you can. You can join us on YouTube or Patreon. You can support us using our affiliate links at Amazon, eBay, Independent Reserve, or Kucoin. You can buy merch from HeiseSays, use Gold Pass from the Perth Mint, or support us via PayPal. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you all in the next episode.